What's good? What's good? Good to see you guys. So this is kind of the finished product. What I can say, it's been kind of disappointing due to weather and not being able to put it all together as fast as I wanted it to. And the other major disappointment was the company that I got it from. His poor service, I guess. And you know, as these fairing companies always do, they always have things that show up broken or tabs missing or fitment issues. So you kind of try and make the best of it. But yeah, I just finished putting this on today for the most part. It's still a couple of things that I have to do. So there's a few missing screws that I'm not putting back in because I'm not done. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. So probably gonna change out my wheel designs. It's a Nardo gray, kind of a remix of the other scheme I used to have. But the main color is Nardo gray instead of being black, and the majority of everything is now gloss paint, high gloss instead of matte. So that's something I want to go back to because matte is hard, really hard to keep clean. So yeah, this is how Sting looks now. The good and the bad. Let's walk to it. So, as you can see, there's certain fitment issues. They're not really big, they're minor, but that has the fairings don't match up how the other ones used to match, but that's really minor. You know, certain things like in here, there's a brake, it's supposed to be closed, so I have to fix that. You know, for the most part, it's pretty spot on, but if you look underneath here, it's actually touching my exhaust pipe. So I'm either gonna have to cut out a piece or let it burn off, either one. Not too bad. I got this isn't thin, but this came from a carbon fiber company, and the carbon fiber got kind of glossed over now, so I'm gonna have to buff that out. So, but remember, this is a 2013 bike, so it's quite old now. So, yeah, it's just some minor things. This has been an issue. So this stupid clutch fluid reserve canister keeps leaking, and it already did on this bike. And I don't know if you can kind of make that out, but now it's all bubbled up, and I just caught that the other day. So the fluid actually caught it, and it went to here too. So that's my fault. But I'm gonna just take that off and probably repaint it myself. That I'm not worried about. And then, so the main issue, here it goes again. Like there's, you know, just small imperfections, but this by far is the major one. So this is the piece that they sent. This is all supposed to be one piece. This was broken, and it's still broken. So all I did is just to figure out how to get it in, and then underneath just bolt it. So it's got a little rivet in there, and it's holding firm, so you really can't see it if you weren't looking under it, so I'm just gonna let it be. But that ticked me off. So they did give me I think a couple $100 or $100 back or so, like that. So that was kind of cool, but the money part is obsolete if it's not how it's supposed to be. Here goes another piece I didn't even see, but you can kind of see it's kind of, you know, it's just minor stuff. So everything else looks pretty much what I was trying to go for. So I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see. So if we come back down, talk about it. The one thing I am thinking about doing, I'm not too sold on the white. They didn't really get the idea that I was trying to do with this white here on the guts. I was trying to actually be like white and then it fades to black at the end, and I don't think they got that. So my idea is, now that I have to repair the other gut that got kind of hit with the clutch fluid and got kind of damaged, I'm gonna kind of speckle black it to give it like a cool effect, so it ties all that in. I didn't want like pure white stripes that just go to the back. I wanted it to kind of be blending, so it flows with the rest of the bike. But yeah, that's gonna be something I'm definitely gonna do. And then I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna leave my wheels like this. Obviously those are rubber cement stickers, so you can't take them off. So they're at their age too. And you know, I don't get to ride this bike that much as I want to. Actually, none of my bikes, because I'm always working and stuff. So, you know, that's not mine. And this one in there, you know, I'm trying to learn on him. So, yeah. But I do like the look of it. I'm kind of just disappointed in the whole process, and that's the only thing that's been bothering me for the most part. You know, especially when you thinking you're getting something and it's gonna come out the way you want, and for the most part it does. But then, you know, if you get a 90% product, that doesn't make it 100. So it's kind of annoying. But yeah, that's what I'm doing with this one. And then because he's been sitting so long, now he doesn't want to start. So I think I'm just gonna have to, I charged the battery for about 2 hours. I don't think that was enough, so I think I'm gonna have to put it on the charger for like a full day and let it get all the way up there, and then try and do something with it. And then it should fire. So it's a lithium battery in there, and I trust those. So, but because I've been waiting and having plastics off, I haven't been able to run him or anything. So he's just been in the trailer, and it gets cold out here now, so that even further makes it more you know, difficult to keep him alive. But that's how he looks. So you guys let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about, you know, those two lines of what I said. Just not covering the whole thing, but just like lightly, like doing like speckle, like black, like a spray paint type deal to give it some edge to it. And then yeah, might just leave the wheels the way they are. But it's been a pain in the ass, but he's pretty much there. And you know, yeah, I'll probably be able to get back out on it and see what happens. And that's all. You guys be cool, and I'll be at you in another one. Peace.